Speed. Yo, have you seen Raphael? Bro, that's crazy. Yo, if you put your minds to anything, you can accomplish it. Speed met Ronaldo. Do you know how many times he tried? Bro. But this nigga could have started malfunctioning and barking at Ronaldo, but I told him to chill. This nigga crazy, bro. This nigga is crazy.
Whoa! Oh my God!
Both of both. Chill, bro.
Oh my God! Hold on. Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm sorry. Oh my God, we're down. Oh my God, take a picture.
Bruh.
Take a picture, please. Oh my God, I love you, bro. My son telling you that you love me. Yes, bro. Hey, I love you.
See, speed runs the streets. Speed runs the streets. The son told Ronaldo Jr. Shout out to Ronaldo Jr. He made this shit happen. Speed runs the streets. Speed is so influential to the point whereby some niggas who are on presidential level, their children watch Speed. How? Do you have Ronaldo's son and Ronaldo? Bruh, that's incredible.
Yo, Ronaldo, I'm a big fan, bro. Ronaldo, look. I got you right here. Hey, wait, Ronaldo, sue me.
See?
I love you, bro. Here, take a picture. Here, take a picture. Oh my God, no. We did it. Okay, I'm sorry.
Relax, bro. Bro is about to... This is what I'm talking about. Niggas started barking. Why? Bruh, why?
Here, take a picture.
Malfunctioning.
Here, take a picture. Oh my God, no. We did it. Okay, I'm sorry.
Look. Bro started barking. Why?
I love you so much. Thank you, bro.
W moments. W.
I love you, seriously. And I love your family. I love you. I love everything about you, bro. I love you, Ronaldo, bro. I love you. Oh my God.
Best moment in history, man.
Let's go. I did it, bro. I did it. Let's go. Oh my God.
Bro, I'm so happy for Speed, bro.
I did it, bro.
I'm so happy for him.
I love you, Ronaldo. I did that, bro. Tchau, boa noite. Eu falo português. Eu joguei Portugal. Let's go. Oh my God. I did.
Bruh. This is crazy.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You have to realize Speed is one of a kind. We will never have this again. There will never be another person like Speed. And that's just a fact.
Oh my God. Everything I've been through in my life. Everything I've been through in my life, bro, I finally did.
Sweet.
I finally did it, bro. I love you so much, God. I love you so much, God. I love you so much, God. God, I love you so much. Everything I've been through, I did it, bro.
Finally.
I did it, bro. I did it.
Bro, I can't even breathe. Wow. Bro looks like he met God or something.
Told y'all, bro. Sue!
See. Bro, who's this British security guy? Bro, that nigga strong.
What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? We getting lit tonight? On God, we getting lit tonight, bro. We getting lit tonight.
Bro, this just shows above all moments, never to stop grinding. Never stop believing in yourself, because nobody's gonna believe in you. Self-manifestation is real. Manifest. Maybe even notification is real. You bust a nuts to a porn star, maybe one day you go meet her. But all I'm trying to say is, it's real. It's real. As long as, bruh, you try, you fail again, you try until you get it. Failure is not real. Failure is not really real. It's not real. Why is failure if you keep on trying? So Speed did this and he finally met his idol, Ronaldo. We all thought it was impossible because Ronaldo don't have the time. He's at El Nassr, he's in Saudi Arabia, he's here, he's there. But it's possible now. It's all possible. As long as you put your mind to it, you grind towards it, it's really possible. It's possible. It's possible, you bitch ass niggas. It's possible. It's really that possible. You put your mind to something. Bruh, you can be anything you want in this world. You should put your mind to it. You're not meant to be anything. You're not just meant to be someone with a degree, someone with just school, someone with just anything. That's what school programs us to be or to do. It tells us, it throws you in your building and tells you, you can only be this. But nah, you're not programmed to be anything. When you close your eyes, all you see is darkness. You're an empty vessel. You're not meant to be anything. You're not meant to be anything. You are what you see and you are what you put your mind to. You can be a doctor if you wanted, an astronaut if you wanted. If there's money, of course. Big Speed right here. From saying Sui to meeting the Sui himself. Like, goddamn, I'm just talking to make the video 90 minutes because it's on what? I don't even know what minute is it's on. So, I'm just talking. The thing is, believe in yourself. No, look yourself in a mirror and tell yourself you're going to be great. Believe in yourself. Nobody's going to believe in you. Nobody's ever going to believe in you. That's just how it is. So, really believe in yourself. Self-reflect. Tell yourself you're going to be great. Stop telling yourself you're going to be a loser all the time. Bruh, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Even those who want to, Messi fans who want to meet Messi one day, they can, if you work towards it. Now, I ain't saying I'm encouraging laziness. You have to work towards it. You have to grind like Speed. And yeah.